Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to install Notebook directly on your system using the command prompt and give a quick tour of the interface. So let's get started. To install Jupyter Notebook, first of all in your Chrome, write Jupyter Notebook and enter. When you enter, you will be getting the website link which is Jupyter Notebook. Once you open the Jupyter Notebook, you will see try, install, get involved, documentation, new, version, governance, security and about. To for we have to install the Jupyter Notebook. So click on the install button. Once you open the install button, it will be showing you the commands which you are going to use to install the Jupyter Notebook. To install Jupyter Notebook, the easiest way is through Python Package Manager, pip. If you don't have Python installed yet, make sure to download and install it from the Python org or during installation, ensure to check the box that says Add Python or Path. Once you have Python installed, you can open the command prompt or window or the terminal on macOS Linux. Now let's jump into the installation of Jupyter Notebook. So to install Jupyter Notebook, simply open your command prompt. So I'm using Windows, so I'll be writing Windows R. So once you type Windows plus R command on your keyboard, then a prompt will be showing to you, which will be opening the command prompt. So click OK. Once you click on OK, and then there is a command prompt showing you the prompt of your Windows. Now simply type this command to update the latest version. To avoid any issue, enter the following command in your terminal or your command prompt. So I copied the Python and pip install or upgrade. So it will be installing the normal site package which is not readable, and once the package has been installed, it will be showing you that um, it is the advanced package which has been upgraded. So my version is 24.3.1, which is now the latest version of the Python pip install version. Now, once that's done, you are ready to install Jupyter Notebook. Simply type the following command into your Jupyter Notebook, which is pip install notebook. By writing pip install notebook and click enter. It will take a time to install the Jupyter Notebook, and once the Jupyter Notebook is being installed, so my Jupyter Notebook has been installed. Now I have saved my Jupyter Notebook in my documents folder, so I'll be going and following that path to open the Jupyter Notebook. So to launch the Jupyter Notebook, let's open it in the same terminal window by typing launch Jupyter Notebook. So for that, I'll go into command document. Once I'm in the directory, I'll be typing Jupyter Notebook and then here's it and hit enter. So once you hit enter, your Jupyter Notebook is being started, and the website of your Jupyter Notebook will be open in another folder, which I'll be showing you here. So the interface is being open in your page. So let's take a quick tour of the interface. When you'll be first open Jupyter Notebook, you will see a file browser which shows the content of your working directory. This is where all your notebook and files are being stored. I have used some of these files to run some of my projects. So these are being stored in the file directory as well. And to create the new file, you have to simply click on the new button on the top right and select Python 3, which shows the content of your working directory. This is where all your notebooks and files are stored. So this will open a new tab with your notebook where you can start writing and executing the code. Once I open the new file, so the untitled bar has been opened. So here, by clicking double click, and now I can change my, I can rename my So I'll be writing it demo session and I'll be renaming it. For the demo session, I'll be showing you, first of all, it is a help where we can know about the Jupyter Notebook. What are the shortcuts? If not the shortcut, just simply uh, type Control plus Shift plus H and you will get all the shortcut. So these are all the shortcuts which you will be using further in the video by learning the Jupyter Notebook. And this is the file where you can close or you can save the notebook or save notebook as Control plus Shift S, or you can rename from here also. Okay. And this is the edit option where you can undo, redo, and operate the cell and cut the cell or the paste, and you can go down, select, or whatever you want to do with the cells. We can also merge the above cell or the below cell. And here comes the new session where you will be running. And this is the run. Run will show you all the commands where the run select cell. If you want to select a cell, then it is shift enter. And if you want to select and insert the another cell, then alert enter. And if you want to run select or download advanced, then control enter. So run selected text or current line is in the console itself. When you will be learning, you will be knowing all the commands. For whereas in the settings, you can also change the themes. Um, where I am using that light theme, you can also use dark, high contrast, synchronize with system setting, or themes color, or increase code font size, degree size, whatever you want to do. Whereas you can also use the language I'm using in this, and text editor theme also you can use Jupyter or the coordinator. I'm using Jupyter right now, and so this is basically the cell. Let me introduce you to the basic function you should know. So this is the code cell which you are seeing in the blue color. In this code cell, the notebook is made up of cell, and the most common type is a code cell. You can write Python code, and inside the this cell. So let's type our first code. So I'll be writing print hello world. Once you write the code, just shift enter. And once you shift enter, so you can see that your um, whatever is written in this block is being printed over here. So to in a code cell, to execute the shell, please press shift enter and you will see the output right below the cell. Or you can also explain or note by the using the markdown cell. Let me show you how. So this is the markdown shell. In the markdown shell, if you want to write any kind of text, image, or any note within the code, so you can simply write hashtag, and after the hashtag, you can write the basics or the whatever the notes you want to give in these options. So over here, these are all the tools that you can use. You can use a code which is markdown, or we can also use raw code, and this is for the uh, restart the kernel. If you want to restart, it will restart the kernel and all the cells whatever being run through you will be rerun. Okay, and this is restart the kernel. You can also interrupt the kernel or you can run the cell and advance. So once you run any cell and you want to advance, you can just click here. Now when you are done, you can save your work by clicking the save icon in the top left corner. So in the top left corner, you will see the save option, or else you can also write Control plus S. So once you are done with Control plus S, it will be saving your session, which is demo session. And see, you can see the last checkpoint 16 in Savo. Your session has been saved in the .ipynb format. To close notebook, simply go back to the file browser and click to the shutdown button next to your notebook name. This stops the kernel and safely close the notebook. So if I go to the file and I write that as log out, or I can shut down. So if I want to close the notebook, I can log out, or if I want to shut down the kernel, then I will be shutting down. So and that is you know how to install Jupyter Notebook using pip Open it and use some of the basic features. Jupyter is an incredible powerful tool for anyone working with data science, machine learning, or Python in general. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any issues during installation. I'll be happy to help. Stay tuned for our next video where we will dive deeper into working with Python in Jupyter. Thank you for watching and keep learning. Thank you.